Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to this channel. Here, you practice listening to English in a soft and relaxing way. We call this healing English. The words are simple, the voice is calm, the rhythm is gentle. This is a place for you to relax. This is a place for you to rest. This is a place to prepare for peaceful sleep. Tonight's theme is Let the Day Go. Because sometimes the hardest part of sleep is not closing your eyes, but letting go of the day. Each day we carry many things. We carry tasks. We carry responsibilities. We carry emotions. We carry worries. Some days are heavy, some days are light, but every day leaves something on our shoulders. And when night comes, we are still holding it, still thinking, still turning things over in our mind. That is why tonight we will practice letting the day go. We will set it down gently, like a bag that is too heavy. Let's begin with the breath. Take a slow breath in. Feel your chest expand. Now breathe out slowly. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Imagine that every exhale carries away part of the day. Every breath out removes a little weight. Breathe in peace. Breathe out worry. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Now, speak softly in your heart. Goodbye, day. Say goodbye to the morning. Goodbye to the afternoon. Goodbye to the evening. Goodbye to the work you finished. Goodbye to the work you did not finish. Goodbye to the people you met. Goodbye to the voices you heard. Goodbye to your mistakes. Goodbye to your victories. The day is leaving anyway, so let it go with kindness. Imagine a river in front of you. The water flows slowly. The surface shines in the moonlight. Now, take each thought from your day. Place it gently on a leaf. Put the leaf on the river. Watch it float away, one by one. Every worry, every memory, every what if, every I should have, all of them float down the river. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to hold them. You can let them go. Now give your body permission to rest. Say, "Good night, eyes. You worked hard. Good night, shoulders. You carried weight. Good night, hands. You held so much. Good night, legs. You walked far. Good night, heart. You felt deeply." Your body does not need to carry the day anymore. It can let go. Think of the feelings you had today: joy, sadness, frustration, hope, fear. Say to them, "Thank you for visiting me. Now you can rest." Emotions are like guests. They come, they stay for a while, and then they leave. You don't need to hold them tonight. Let them go. Repeat in your mind, I have done enough for today. I can let go now. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. I welcome peace. Say them slowly. Say them kindly. Let them become true in your heart. Now, imagine a soft wooden box. It is open in front of you. Take your whole day and place it inside the box. The work, the thoughts, the feelings, all of it goes inside. Now, close the lid. The day is inside, safe, quiet. You can open it tomorrow if you need, but tonight, you do not. Tonight, you rest. A man once carried a bag of stones. Everywhere he went, the bag was heavy. One evening, his friend said, "Why not put the bag down?" The man looked surprised. He had carried the stones for so long, he forgot he could let go. He put the bag down. He felt light. He felt free. You are like this man. You carry the stones of your day, but tonight you can set them down. Now I say to you, good night, my friend. Good night to your thoughts. Good night to your body. Good night to your heart. You are safe. You are cared for. You are loved. The day is over. Let it go. Sleep now. This channel is here for you, to give you healing words, to give you English practice, to give you peace before bed. So, tonight, let the day go. Let yourself rest. Sleep deeply. Sleep gently. Sleep with peace. Good night, dear one. Good night.